Look, there's a helicopter going towards it.
I was pointing it to.
Look, the helicopter checking it out.
I know.
There's a helicopter checking it out. Look, the helicopter stopped.
And turned
around.
What is it, helicopter?
Look, he went close and turned around.
I know.
Look, there's a helicopter, and look at this. Now watch what this thing does. It was 2 of them, and the other one disappeared. Now it's only 1. I don't know where the other one is.
And that's weird.
But the helicopter been flying around in circles.
Trying to find it. And it stopped and looked at it and turned.
Look. It disappeared.
Oh. And it's like... And it
Whoa! It popped up in a different place. What the heck? Oh my, did you see that?
Yeah.
Yo, do you see that?
Oh my gosh.
Like, check this out, man, for real. In my white boy voice. This thing disappears. And then when it reappears, it moves. And then it flashes again. We're going to zoom in on it.
Whatever this big light
and
is.
it's a helicopter. Get close to it and then it turns around.
It's like it's transporting, right?
Yeah, it's like disappears then pops up somewhere else.
Go, baby.
And it's very bright, but when it disappears, you don't see anything. You know, sometimes you can see the sun moving through the clouds. No, you can't see nothing. It just disappears.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch what happens.
Do you think it scared the helicopter? Because the helicopter was...
I mean, the helicopter been flying around for a minute.
I know.
And then it turns around when it gets... I know it's moving. I gotta scoot back. Maybe if you scoot... See, you can't get a good picture of it because it's recording on my phone. So they can't see what we can really see.
I know.
Watch. Just give it a minute. Watch what it do.
Ooh, there's the other one.
Oh, there's two.
And that one went away.
Yo.
What the heck is this?
See, I told you it was 2 of them.
Mm-hmm.
I just said it was 2 of them.
Babe, that was weird how the helicopter looked at it. It stopped.
I know, it went close, it stopped, paused for a minute, then it just turned around.
It turned around like,
Mama, I think that's a flying monster.
What is that? But when we was driving that way,
I know, it disappeared when we got close to it. We was driving towards it.
Checking to drop a door.
Look like that. It's staying for a little bit. Trying to see something though. See when it fade out. Look. Oh shoot. It's gone now.
but it still seemed lighter over that way, right?
Yeah, but where'd it go? What the hell?
See
Yeah, it just disappeared. Let me scoot back in case it pop back up.
There it goes.
In the corner.
Man, that's how you know it's really something there, because that helicopter stopped.
It been a helicopter patrolling the area, and it flies around. The helicopter went kind of close to it and turned around. It paused a minute, then turned around and left.
I think that's nice.
Look, that helicopter coming back towards it.
Where?
Look, he's checking it out. See, they know what's up. Look,
Something is not right.
see the helicopter checking it out. He turns back
Well,
around.
that's a push officer.
He get close and turns back around.
Oh, and it was a police one, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's
Remember?
Yeah, that's a police one. He said nope.
and this helicopter keep coming towards it. It'll pause. It don't get too close. It'll sit there and turn around and leave.
It left again, right?
Yeah, he turned around and left. He said, hell nah. Shit, nigga. He said, hell nah. I picked up some on the radar, man. I'm gonna get a little close to it and leave. Shit, I don't blame you, brother. Shit.
Okay.
But look, watch this. Watch this out. Check this out. Look, there you go again. Gone.
That is crazy.
It's gone.
That's beyond me.
But the deal is, though, what drew my attention to this is I was driving, and all of a sudden I saw a bright light just shoot up in the sky real fast. And then I saw one light pop up and two lights pop up, and the other one disappeared. And now they've just been disappearing on and off for like maybe the last 30 minutes. But when I was driving down, and all of a sudden I saw a big yellow light just shoot up in the sky. And that's when these two little things popped up. That's what drew my attention to that. And this helicopter keep checking them out and leaving. But it's gone now. Been 8 minutes recording. I don't see it. It was two of them.